What you are looking at is the InfiMaker K1, a pro-grade desktop 5-axis CNC machine that brings true industrial manufacturing power right into your home, garage, or design studio. It is not a robotic arm or a standard 3D printer, as it is a fully enclosed, automated subtractive manufacturing machine, capable of carving everything from delicate jewelry wax to solid titanium. Driven by its proprietary MoteInfi smart numerical control system, the machine features an onboard artificial intelligence-generated content engine. Describe what you want in text or upload a reference image, and the onboard AI-GC engine generates a machinable 3D model and optimal toolpaths in under 2 minutes. It checks for feasibility and even creates time-lapse videos of the entire process, so you can share them on social media. The built-in vision sensor scans the raw material and automatically calculates the optimal feeds, speeds, and cut depth. It uses a 1.5 kilowatt spindle with a top speed of 20,000 RPM, combined with a 6-slot automatic tool changer that seamlessly swaps to the exact bit needed. What makes it special is that full 5-axis simultaneous motion. The X, Y, and Z linear axes team up with the B axis, which can tilt from -30 to 110 degrees, and the C axis for a full 360-degree rotation, so the tool can attack the workpiece from almost any angle in one setup. Because the spindle requires a massive 2.2 kilowatt power draw, it plugs directly into standard 110 to 240 volt AC wall power. For pricing and availability, the InfiMaker K1 is coming soon on Kickstarter with super early bird pricing locked in at $5,199.